Monday afternoon in June, a ladle carrying 1,600 degree molten steel exploded at the Visakhapatnam steel plant. 8 workers were killed, 6 more were left with critical burns. In the aftermath, we saw a familiar cycle: ex-gratia payments, high-level probes, and grieving families. But this is not an isolated accident. Data shows that these accidents are also the result of institutional apathy and a massive breakdown in how India tracks industrial safety. Hello and welcome to another episode of The Data Point. The explosion at the Rashtriya Ispat Nigam Limited plant in Vizag wasn't just a technical failure. It was a reminder of a persistent trend of industrial accidents across the country. While the government often treats these as isolated events, an analysis of safety data reveals a systemic gaps in how we report, inspect, and prevent these tragedies. The problem begins with the reporting itself. There is a massive discrepancy between the different government bodies. For instance, data from Accidental Deaths and Suicides in India Report, or ADSI, captures fire accidents across factories. However, when you compare these to the figures compiled by the Labour Bureau and the DGF-ASLI, a startling gap emerges. The fire accidents captured by official labour reports were only one-third of the numbers reported by the ADSI. This inconsistency itself suggests that many accidents are simply going unrecorded in the primary safety databases. If we aren't accurately counting the deaths, then we cannot effectively fix the causes. Why is the reporting so poor? Look at the institutions responsible for safety. The DGF-ASLI, the body that helps implement the Occupational Safety and Health Code, is struggling with a severe manpower shortage. As of 2023, nearly 50% of its 349 sanctioned posts remained vacant. This staffing crunch trickles down to the state level. In heavily industrialized states, the workload for inspectors is overwhelming. In Tamil Nadu, there is only one inspector for every 478 factories. In Gujarat, it's one for every 608. And in Maharashtra, a single inspector is responsible for nearly 900 factories. Predictably, as the workload has increased, the frequency of inspections has plummeted. In 2010, nearly 32% of factories were inspected annually. By 2022, this number dropped to just 19.6%. In many cases, factories operate for years without a single safety check. To complicate matters, many states are failing to even provide basic data. High-intensity industrial states like Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka, and West Bengal have frequently failed to furnish fatal and non-fatal accident data to the Labour Bureau. Without this data, the national picture remains dangerously incomplete. As India's industrial sector grows, with the number of registered factories rising steadily since 2009, the institutional mechanisms meant to protect workers have not kept pace. We are seeing a cost over safety mindset where manpower shortages and data lapses have made industrial accidents foreseeable rather than accidental. Probes into the Vizag blast may find specific spark that caused the explosion, but data suggests that until the gaps in reporting and inspection are filled, the system remains at risk. Thank you for watching this video, and for more such videos, please subscribe to The Hindu.